It's just snoring, I don't have sleep apnea. It is possible that your snoring is just snoring. We call that primary snoring. But oftentimes that's not the case. Up to 95% of people with obstructive sleep apnea also snore. But even if it is just snoring, it can be very disruptive to others around you. Oral appliances have been proven to address snoring, and oftentimes eliminate it completely, by gently pushing your lower jaw forward, providing you a quiet night's sleep. If you suffer from loud snoring or diagnosed sleep apnea, contact us today at 717-737-4337 or visit us online at cambriadentalsleep.com to schedule a consultation appointment.